I'm going to discuss with you the physical layer. Okay, in previous video we'll discuss what is OSI model and peer-to-peer process. In peer-to-peer process we see that how a single machine and a double machine communicate with each other in OSI model. Okay, now I'm going to discuss with you physical layer. What is physical layer? Physical layer is the initial starting layer of the OSI model. The physical layer coordinates the function required to transmit a bit stream over a physical medium. That means here in physical medium we take care of the bit stream of the data. It deals with the mechanical and electrical specification of the interface and transmission medium. In between interface and the transmission medium, it takes care of the mechanical and electrical specification. It also defines the procedure and functions that physical medium devices and interface have to perform for transmissions to occur. What are the procedures and functions that physical devices and interface have to perform for transmissions to occur? See the diagram of physical layer where the electrical and mechanical specifications are with the bit streams of the data. Here the bit streams data are transferred from one machine to other machine. You can say that the sender to receiver machine. Okay, some responsibility. Physical medium concerned with the following. First, physical characteristics of interface media. That means the physical layer define the characteristics of the interface between devices and the transmission medium. It is important that it takes interface between. It is the interface how they communicate. It is the interface between devices and the transmission medium. Okay, it also defines the type of transmission medium. Which type of transmission medium are going to used in physical layer. Second is representation of bits. How we represent our data in form of bits. So the physical layer data consists of a stream of bit with any interpretations that is to be transmitted. Bits must be encoded into signal, electrical or it may be optical. Third one is data rate, means the speed of the transmission of the data from one position to another position. The transmission rate, the number of bits sent each second is also defined the physical layer. Okay, that means in other words we can say that the physical layer defines the duration of bits. Next is synchronization of bit. How the synchronization of bit is maintained during transmission of the data from a sender to receiver. The sender and receiver must be synchronized at the bit level. In other words, you can say that the sender and receiver clock must be synchronized. It maintains the clock which must be synchronized during the transmissions. Next is line configurations. The physical layer is concerned with the connection of devices to the medium. Which connection of devices to the medium. Next is physical topology. Which type of topology are using physical layer? The physical topology defines how devices are connected to make. Obviously, topology is means how we make which type of network we are using. That means it may be used mesh, star or bus tree. Next is transmission mode. Which type of mode we are using in physical layer? The physical layer also defines the directions between two devices. It may be simplex, it may be half duplex, it may be full duplex. Simplex means data only transfer from one side only. Half duplex, not simultaneously full side, both sides, one at a time. one side at a time, and full duplex they are communicating at a time both sides. Okay, thank you.